took the late afternoon ferry from Aberdeen to Lamma Island. Horrendous rain overnight, really awful flooding, thunder. It was the first time they've issued a black rain warning since last year. But now it's brightening up a bit, and as you can see, just waited to go on a little boat over to an island just for a short visit. It's the same island that I'll go hiking on, but at the moment I'm just going to go over and have a, well, just basically to get on a boat and go and have a trip. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, so anyway, so it's been pretty good so far. It's another great day, and it's about humidity's high. It's about 30 degrees. The ferry from Aberdeen took us to Mo Tat Wan on Lamma Island. It's a small ferry pier, as the other main ferries from Central go to Sok Kwu Wan and Chau. As we walked down from the ferry pier, we climbed the steps up to Mtatat New Village, and then took the coast path to Chau Wan, which eventually took us on to Sok Kwu Wan. Mo Tat Wan. Get dropped off by the boat here, and then we're going to walk all the way over the top on the side of that, around the other side, to get the ferry back. More steps. There are 2 or 3 routes to get from where we were over to Sok Kwu Wan, and this is the short route between the 2 villages. Many shrines in Hong Kong. It always amazes me how you come to these islands, or even the mainland, but certainly the islands, and you come here and there's these man-made trails. This is where I'm heading to get the ferry back. And this is Lamma Island. You are there. That's where we are now, and we're going to walk to here to get the ferry back. It's very quiet. You can probably hear the cicadas. It's very peaceful, but also having the concrete track makes it a lot easier for this, which is part of the family hike, the Lamma Island family hike, so made for all ages. And over there is the view of Aberdeen and Hong Kong in the distance. So some of the rain that we've had in the last 12 hours is now coming off of the hills in Lamma and finding its way down the concrete paths. You'll see the aftermath of the black rain that we've had the last few days, many overflows, and the falls coming down off the hills. Oh dear, a dead bike. When I'm here again next year, we'll visit Lamma Island, but spend the whole day here hiking. There's many trails around Lamma Island, all over the island. The journey back from Lamma to Aberdeen, it was serene, peaceful, with Chau and Abedine shrouded in low mist. We experienced the most beautiful sunset, and the waters were so calm. This was a short day, short afternoon, a couple of hours around Lamma Island. Great fun. We're heading back now. Beautiful sunset. It was one of the rainiest days of the season so far, but the afternoon's been pretty good. And we're just approaching Aberdeen. Aberdeen on the island, south of the island. This is Aberdeen. As we come into the jetty from Lamma Island. Chau and Abedine are linked by the road bridge with a walking path. There's also a cross-water ferry going from Aberdeen to Chau and back again. We didn't find the ferry, but we know it was there, but we actually walked around on our last video. Great fun. Thanks for supporting this channel. We're growing and I'm grateful for the support. On my next video, join me as I explore the new Kiteac, a redevelopment into like no other.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications of new content.